Hey everyone, Merry Christmas! In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Christmas doodle. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays no matter what you guys celebrate or where you are in the world, and thank you so much for another great year on Artland. I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with our fun Christmas doodle, let's begin by making a little present over here. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come up and then down, kind of like a triangle shape. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down, and then I'm going to draw a circle on it for an eyeball. Then I'm going to make another circle over here, and I'm just going to go ahead and put a little dot inside each one. I'm going to make a line that comes down, down, and then down here. Make this one a little longer. Then I'm just going to connect each line. And we'll do a little squiggle in there for the mouth. I'm going to draw that same shape up here. I'm going to come up. I'm going to go at an angle, down, and then connect. And we'll do a little line here. Let's draw a line that comes down here, a line that comes down here, and then we're going to do two lines here. We'll do a half circle on top for the bow, and then we'll go up and down, and then up and down, a little line in each one for the bow. Over here, let's make a cup of cocoa. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up. I'm going to go over and then down. Then I'm going to curve this over here. We'll make a little curved shape like this. And then we'll make two bumps for the marshmallows. We'll make two little smiley faces for eyes. And then we'll kind of color in these big sideways triangles for eyebrows. We'll make a nice big smiley face for the mouth. And then we'll make a line that goes out, down, and in, and then out, down, and in for the handle. Over here, let's make an ornament. So I'm going to begin by making a circle shape. That's just going to go around to here. I'm going to make a circle here for an eye, and then a circle here for an eye. I'm going to make a little bit of a wiggly line for the mouth, and a little dot inside each eye. We'll curve this line here, and then we'll curve a line right here. Next, we're going to go up, over, and down, and a little curve for the hook. Over here, let's make a Christmas tree. So I'm going to begin by making an oval shape for an eye, and then another oval shape for an eye. We'll put a dot inside each one. And then we'll make this little kind of bumpy line for the mouth. Let's make a sideways triangle above each eye for the eyebrow. Then let's make some bumpy lines out here. And we'll continue it up to there. Then we'll make the bumpy lines out to here. We'll make a star by making two lines that come up, two lines that go out and come back in, and then a little one on top. Then let's add some small circles all over here for some ornaments. Kind of put these all around here. Next, right here, let's make a mitten. So let's begin by going up. We're going to go over and down. Let's make a big curved line here. And then a bump here for the thumb. Let's make some lines that come down. Then we'll make 2 little dots for eyes, a line across for the mouth, and then a big open mouth with a little curve for the tongue. Then we can make a little squiggle across the top for some detail. Over here, let's make a reindeer. I'm going to begin by making a circle for the eye. Let's make a line come out. We're going to go down and up and down. We'll make this line come down. We'll make this line come out and loop around for the ear. And then we'll make this come down. We'll make a line here and put a couple circles on here for bells. We'll do a half circle here. And a circle for the nose. And we'll do 2 dots for eyes. Then for the antlers, let's make a few little bumps that go up, and we'll do the same thing on this side. Same thing, make some bumps, and then same thing here. We can make a little line here for some detail, and a little line here. Over here, let's make a little gingerbread person. So let's draw a circle for an eye, and then a circle for an eye. We're going to put 2 little dots in there. We're going to make a big open mouth. And we're going to make a second shape in there, so it looks like it's got icing on it. We're going to curve this around. And then we're going to curve this up, and let's make some bumps in here, so it looks like he's got a bite taken out. We'll draw 2 lines down, and then a line here and a line down here for his bow. We'll make some lines by his eyes, and we'll also give him some curves for some cheeks. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes out and then down to make him look 3D. Over here, let's make a little wreath. I'm going to make a circle for an eye, and then a circle for an eye. We're going to put a little dot in each one. Let's make a little line across here, and then a little squiggly line here. We'll make a bump here, and a couple bumps between the eyes. And then some more bumps down to here, and then here. Let's put a half circle for a bow, and a line that goes up and down and up and down. Then we'll make these little ribbons that kind of come off to the side. And then you can also do some little circles on here for like the berries on the wreath. Over here, let's make the candy cane. So let's make a circle for an eye. Then we're going to make a line across here. I'm going to go up and down. We're going to come over, then let's go up and down again. We'll curve this around for the mouth. Then we'll come down here and down here. We'll make a half circle for the eye, and then we'll put a little dot in each one. Then let's go ahead and make some curves on here for some stripes on our candy cane. Over here, let's make a stocking. So I'm going to make a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to curve around. Then we're going to come down and in. We'll curve this up to here and bring this line up. We'll bring this line up over, and then we'll make another little half circle. We'll make 2 little dots, and then we'll add some little bumpy lines for teeth in here. We'll make a little line down that we can color in for the mouth. I like to add another line too. Let's draw a line here, and then a line here. Then we'll make this line curve around for the top. Over here, let's make Santa. So I'm going to begin by making an oval shape for the nose. And then we're going to make a circle for an eye and a circle for an eye. We're going to put 2 dots in there. Then we're going to make these kind of curvy lines for his mustache, and we'll put these little lines here to make it look like he's smiling. Then we'll make these big bumpy lines here for the beard. We'll do a curve and a curve for the ears. And then these skinny oval shapes for the eyebrows. We'll make a line across, and then a bumpy line across here. Then right here, we'll make a line that's going to come up and down for the hat, and it'll come back. And then we'll just make a little circle here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a quick little Christmas doodle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.